There are a few pieces that they don't explicitly say to remove, but kind of obvious. There's these extra build plate surfaces. You have to take out. There's some additional foam bits. Those are probably easier to take out once we start it up. This piece that was in the filament waste area that needs to come out. And there's going to be the cardboard around the extruder and hot end assembly. Take off like that. A little bit of tape here too. All right. So in this video, we're going to look at mainly the. In this video, we're going to look at the AMS setup. So first things first, we'll take all this plastic off. All that plastic's off, this little piece of tape comes off too. And now we can just place it on top. Looks of it. We basically just need to take the PTFE tube and connect it to the printer. And then we have to take those electrical connection cables that we saw earlier and just plug them in these two locations. Looks like the longer one and the 6-pin longer one is going to go the side here. Up to the left port. Oh, just a quick side note, I forgot to put this glass top piece back on before putting the AMS system on top, and that's why you can see me struggling with how it's sitting on the top of the printer there. So remember to put this guy back on there before you put this on top. And then this PTFE tubing is going to connect into this portion here. This can come out, and then they also ask you to remove they got the desiccant wrapped in plastic. You just need to open up the plastic, drop that back in there. Back down. Same thing on the second one. Desiccant again in there. And it's the two little knobs down first, and then you just click the top bit back in. And that looks like it's it for this guy. You can close it, you can lock her up with these swivels, and you can't open it, but we'll leave those unlocked for now. And that's it for the AMS assembly portion. The next video we will load some filament in, and maybe there's a test print already ready to go on there. So the next video will be right down here. I'll see you in the next one.